How to share iPhone internet connection. So here is how to do so. If you have upgraded to the iPhone iOS 18, then you can get the Password Manager app in your iPhone's home screen, which makes it easier to share your iPhone internet connections as well. So all you have to do is tap on the Password Manager app, then you'll be authenticated with a Face ID, Touch ID, or iPhone passcode. Then there you can see Wi-Fi option available in there. Simply tap on the Wi-Fi. Now here you can see the list of Wi-Fi's or the password you are connected with. All you have to do is tap on one of them. You want to share it. Then you can simply see the password by tapping on it, and they can copy the password, or you can also tap on the QR code option available there and connect to the Wi-Fi network. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.